Welcome, my dear friends. Now, in this session, we are going to solve a very beautiful question which I asked in 2004. Okay, so let's start our question. The dew point temperature of air at 1 atmospheric pressure, that means this bar, is 18 degrees centigrade. Okay, the air dry bulb temperature is 30 degrees centigrade. That means given data for this question is T atmospheric temperature, that means dry bulb temperature. This T is equal to 30 degrees centigrade. Okay, here P total, that means P atmospheric pressure, is equal to 1.013 bar. Okay, here your T dry bulb dew point temperature, dew point temperature is what? 18 degrees centigrade. Okay, the saturation pressure of the water at 18 degrees centigrade, that means at this degree centigrade, the saturation pressure is 18 degrees centigrade and 30 degrees centigrade. So for 18 degrees centigrade, your saturation pressure is what? 0.02062 bar, and for 30 degrees centigrade, the saturation pressure is what? The saturation pressure is 0.04, 0.04241 bar. These are the saturation pressures. These are the saturation pressure at different temperature. Okay, this temperature, this at 18 degrees centigrade and this at 30 degrees centigrade. Okay, now the specific heat of air and water vapor respectively are specific heat, that means Cp, that means Cp of air is what? 1.005 kilojoule per kg Kelvin. Okay, and the Cp of water is 1.88 kilojoule per kg of Kelvin. Okay, and the latent heat of vaporization of water from 0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे लेटेंट हीट आपको कितना गिवन है? 2500 किलो जूल पर केजी गिवन है. आफ्टर दैट द स्पेसिफिक ह्यूमिडिटी and the enthalpy for this question is, okay, so for this question you have to find this omega value and you have to find this enthalpy value. Is it right? For this question you have to find these two data. Okay, so let's proceed with solution. Okay, चलिए सॉल्यूशन को प्रोसीड करते हैं. यहाँ पे सारे गिवन डेटा आपके सामने हैं. यहाँ पे सारे गिवन डेटा आपके सामने हैं. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू प्रोसीड विद सॉल्यूशन. ओके, हम सॉल्यूशन को प्रोसीड करेंगे. नाउ माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, here you have to find your specific humidity. You have to find your specific humidity, that means omega. And what is your omega formula? Omega formula is what? 0.622 pv upon pt minus pv. Okay, so what is your PV value? You have to select your PV value over your dew point temperature. That means omega is equal to 0.622 0.02062 divided by 1.013 minus 0.02062. Okay, so by that you have to find your omega value. And what is your omega value? 0.0122924 kilo per kg of dry air. Okay, all right. And then for the enthalpy this value is also find. Okay, ये वैल्यू कहाँ पे गिवन है आपके क्वेश्चन में? ये वैल्यू आपके क्वेश्चन में ये बी ऑप्शन में गिवन है. एंड फॉर दैट क्वेश्चन योर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी, बट यू हैव टू प्रोसीड विद enthalpy calculation. So for that enthalpy you have to write like that: td, that means dew point, this, and plus omega in bracket hfg at dew point temperature. Okay, plus 2.3 at dew point temperature. Is it right? So for that equation you can write at 0.005, and what is your dew point temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, and what is your omega is? Omega is 0. What? 0.012924, and in bracket hf value is what? 2500. Okay, plus 2.3 into 30. Okay, this is your h value. So my dear friends, the final H value is nothing but your what? 63.35 kilojoule per kg of dry air. Kilojoule per kg of dry air, and this will be your exact answer. Here here these are the two answers. This is your omega answer, this is your enthalpy answer. So for that question your correct option is B, and by this way you have to solve your question. Okay, so my dear friends, in next session we are going to solve our 2004 second question, and thank you so much.